Here's some pretty definitive proof of one of the areas where the problem was. This is the old fuel pump. I just put it in this box so we can dispose of it. But I notice here that there's a crack in the fuel line, and this is the fuel input line from the tank. So that definitely would have been leading to fuel problems. Air getting sucked into the fuel lines, and maybe sometimes enough air would get sucked in to where the engine would just shut down completely. So I'm glad I took another look at this, because this proves even more that there was definitely a problem in the old fuel system. So fuel pumps seem to be something that I've had to replace on everything. The next thing for the fuel pump replacement is going to be the pickup. I've got the new electric fuel pump. I've just got to drop the fuel tank, but I actually have bought the pump. So that'll be the next on the fuel system repair calendar.